Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the sign-in PIN on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. In Accounts Settings, select Sign-in Options. Here in Sign-in Options, click PIN Windows Hello. Now click Change your PIN. Enter your current PIN first, then your new PIN, and then confirm the new PIN. Click OK to save it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.